participant number is 40. Today, I would like to tell you a famous story about a boy who forgot his mother after becoming rich. Audiences, do you know it? This is story of Malin Kundang. Let's start the story now. Long time ago, in a small village near the beach in West Sumatra, lived woman and her son. They were Malin Kundang and his mother. Malin's mother was a single parent. Malin's father had passed away since Malin was a child. Malin Kundang grew up as a skillful young boy. He always wanted to be a successful person. One day, Malin met his mother and asked her to allow him to find a job in a big city.
Mom, I want to go to a big city to find a better job, so we will have a better life. Please, allow me, Mom.
Malin kept trying to convince his mom that he had to go. Mom, if I stay here, I will always be a poor man. I want to be a successful person to help us to get a better life. I promise you that I will be glad for you. If you really want to, I will help you, my son. I only pray to God. I know if I succeed. Alright, Mom. I will be back and make you happy someday. In the next morning, Malin was ready to go. Happy audiences? Do you know what happened next? Alright, I will continue my story. In a big city, Malin worked in a big ship. He was good-looking and diligent boy. Many women fell in love with him, including the richest person. Fortunately, Malin also fell in love with her. In order to marry the girl, Malin worked harder and harder until he got success. But how was his mother? She was getting old and old. She always came to a shore every morning waiting for her son. People around took pity when looking Malin's mother. If there was a ship camp, she always asked about her son. Do you see Malin? Where is Malin? The captain of the ship answered.
No, Mom, there is no one named Malin. I'm sorry.
Malin's mother was upset and went to her house. It happened again and again. Then, let's back to Malin. How was he? Years passed. Malin became a rich person and had beautiful wife. But he forgot his promise to his mother. One morning, Malin's wife asked him to go vacation. Honey, how about if we go vacation? Let's go vacation.
Okay, my wife.
Malin prepared his big luxurious ship.
Let's go, my wife.
Then they sailed across the ocean. However, in the middle of his voyage, a big storm blockaded their ship. The ship had to port in the closest island. You know, it was the island where Malin was born. Many people came to see a big luxurious ship, including Malin's mother. They saw Malin in that ship. They shouted, "Malin's coming! Malin's coming! Malin's coming!" Malin's mother heard that. She sobbed and cried happily. She ran to meet Malin. Malin? Is that you, Malin? Is that you, my beloved son? Thanks God, you go home, Malin. I'm your mother. Do you remember me? Malin's wife sobbed and said, "Son, she said that you're her son. Is that true, Malin?" Malin became ashamed to admit his mother. He answered, "Mother, hey, you poor lady, get out of my ship!" Ladies and gentlemen, Malin's mother begged sadly, "Malin, my son, don't you remember your promise? Why are you so cruel? I'm your mother."
No, you are not my mom. My mother must die.
The old woman was really hurt. She got out of the ship and while crying and knelt on the ground. "God, you know what He is really my son. Curse him to a stone! Suddenly, the wind blew hard, the sky was getting dark, and the storm that struck Malin sea. Malin screamed loudly, "Mom! Mom, please help me! Forgive me, please!" But it was too late. She cursed Malin into a stone. The end. Well, audiences, the moral value is we have to treat our parents well, especially our mother. She is the one who has brought us to this world with all struggles.